Hey, so this is another quick security video. This is a very important step for your VPS to make it super secure. And what we're going to use for this is a platform called Tailscale. Basically, it locks down your VPS so that nobody can access it except you. It turns off all your ports and it creates like a tunnel that goes directly from your VPS straight to your devices. You can set it up on all of your devices, your phone, your laptop, and anything else that you need to access your OpenClaw from. So mainly this is used if you want to like get into your server and do things. So I'll show you how to do it. It's pretty easy. We use this thing called Tailscale, and this is a platform that makes it really easy. So step one, you just want to go to tailscale.com and sign up. It's free to use the base tier. And then once you've signed up, you'll find yourself on a page like this. And then what we need to do is add our first device. You'll also download, like I'm on a Mac, and I've downloaded this Tailscale app, and you can see I've got it running here. This is kind of like a VPN. You need to have it like turned on to be able to connect to your VPS. So if it's turned off, you won't be able to connect. So download the app. You can download it on your phone as well. And then we're just going to install it on the VPS. And once we've installed it on the VPS, any of your devices that has Tailscale installed and logged into that account is going to be able to access the VPS. So let's get into it. So open up your terminal and we'll get going. First up, we need to log in to our VPS. So if you forgot your IP, just go to your droplet and grab it. Type in your username based on your IP address, push enter, and we'll be all logged in because we already set all this up. Okay, so now we need to install Tailscale. So let's copy this one, paste it in, and then once that's installed, we're just going to start it up with this one. So let's copy that. Okay, that's finished. So now let's paste that in. Sudo Tailscale up. And you see it's given us this URL. Let's copy it. Let's paste it into our browser. Enter. And now what we need to do is log in. So I'll sign in with GitHub. Let's authorize Tailscale. And now let's wait and let's click connect device. And we're done. And over here you'll see it says success and we're in. Now let's check our Tailscale IP address. Just copy that one, paste it in, and push enter, and you see this is our secure IP address that we can use to access our server. So the next thing is install this on your phone and anywhere else that you want to use. Use your OpenClaw, like log into your OpenClaw. Paste this one in to see what the status is, and that'll show you like which devices you have connected. So right now we just have this one. CoreScale is Linux, so that's our server. So what I need to do is actually attach it to my laptop that I'm on right now. So over here is the Tailscale dashboard, and you can see our CoreScale VPS attached right here. You can add the device just here, just like here, by clicking there, or if you've installed the app, you'll see it's running up here in the taskbar. And to connect it, I'm just going to go turn it on, and then I'm going to click login, and you can see it's already opened the browser, so now I can just go sign in, and I'm going to authorize it. And then once we go back to that dashboard, we'll see our MacBook Pro has been added, so that's how easy it is. And the same thing if you install this on your phone, and then you'll go through the same process, and then you'll see your phone here as well. And again, if we come back down to our terminal and we put that same command in, Tailscale status, push enter, and we'll see our new device has been added here, MacBook Pro. So what can we do now? We actually have OpenClaw has a dashboard that is built in. So I'll show you how we can access it now that we have our Tailscale set up. So first we're going to come to our course and we're going to go sudo tailscale serve localhost. So this localhost 18789 is where the gateway is hosting, the OpenClaw gateway is hosted, and that's where we can access it. And this is where the web UI is, but we can't just put that into our browser now because this is running locally on the VPS. So if we grab this and we paste that in, what that's going to do is create a URL that we can access the dashboard at. So let's copy this and paste it in. And let's just go enable HTTPS in funnel. And it's now live. So here you can see, here's the URL. And you copy that and paste it in. And if everything is going well, you should see the dashboard load up. And it took a few moments, but here's the dashboard for OpenClaw. So now we can look inside of it. You'll notice straight away that we have some errors, like it's not connected. We will go over this in another lesson inside of the channels module. We'll show you how to connect this up because there's a few steps to get it connected. But the fact that we can see this is running on our VPS, OpenClaw's running. That means we're secure with Tailscale now. So now the last thing you can do is, once you've installed it on your phone, grab that URL. It's good to bookmark this so you don't have to keep asking your getting commands to find where it is. So just bookmark this and then send it to your iPhone or whatever phone you've got, put it in, enable Tailscale app, turn it on, and then try to access this. And if it's all set up correctly, you should be able to access this dashboard on your phone as well. So that's all for this video. I'll see you in the next one, and we'll keep getting our OpenClaw agent ready to go.